Hello guys, tuturuan kita kung paano mag-request ng page recommendation sa Facebook. So ito guys, hindi recommended yung Facebook ng anak ko. Kaya, ang gagawin natin, magre-request tayo. So guys, click natin yung Facebook icon. Then, click natin yung three line. Nalagay tayo ng help support. Then, report a problem. Then, baba, how to report abuse. To continue to report problem. Then, click po natin yung include in the report. Then, kung ano po yung gagawin natin, kung ano po yung report natin, kung page po ba o profile. So, unahin po natin yung page. Click po natin yung page. Then, erase lang po natin to. Then, maglagay po tayo ng notes dito sa taas. So, ilalagay po natin ay, Dear Facebook team, I am writing to you regarding my page recommendation. Please change not recommendable to recommendable. I have no existing restriction and violations. Kindly review again the status of my account. I assure you of my commitment to the Facebook policy and community standards. Thank you. Here is my page link. So, yan po yung ilalagay natin. Then, upload po natin. Ito. Yan. Yan po yung attach natin na photos. And then, after po nyan, dito po sa attach, ilalagay po natin yung monetization, account status, at your alerts. So, yan po yung ilalagay sa attachment. Kapag okay na po lahat, i-click na po natin tong arrow sa taas. Send na po. Ayan, nasend na po natin yung request. Sana po natulungan ko po kayo sa aking video. At for watching, please like and follow my account para po sa susunod ko pang video. Thank you!